What is going on? Today we have another day of putting the motor in the car, and as soon as that's finished up, we're gonna go ahead and start body work. But I don't want to go and say what I'm gonna do. So today we're gonna put this in there. I have some headers for it as well. We're gonna be putting the new headers on. I still have to get it adjusted to fit the exhaust that I purchased because the flange is for B series headers and this is a D series. So that's it. We're gonna be putting this one in there, that one in here, there. Yeah, so I'm pretty much excited. Let's get started. Okay, so good news is engine has everything that is supposed to be in there. We have this motor mount in, we have this motor mount in, and we have these ABS sensor. Everything's connected. Sorry, ABS system. So that's pretty much it there. Now we just finished buttoning up. We finished connecting everything in the engine. So all the engine stuff, the harness, everything is all connected. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this in there. So I'm excited. I've been waiting for this moment since I ever started. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. That's it, we're all done. Motor's in, and honestly, I still got a whole bunch of stuff to do. I still have to connect a lot of the ABS stuff. I still have to do CV axles. I still have to lower control arm. There's a whole bunch of stuff I need to do. The best part about it, the motor's in the car. The motor's gonna be covered now. I don't have to worry about it being messed with. And honestly, I'm happy. I'm excited. This is awesome. We're getting there gradually. You know, I'm really excited. So hopefully, I will be able to complete the car by next weekend. And I'm praying, I'm hoping I make it to IFO. Even if I'm not even in the show, I still want to have my car there. So maybe this might be after IFO if you see this video, but you know what I was going for. So car's almost done. Few things left to do. Still need to get the fluids. Still need to bleed the brakes. I still need to finish all the wiring stuff. I need to get my new headers. Header. They're not called headers, they're header. I don't know. I haven't put my distributor stuff on because I still need to calibrate the valves because I want to. Because before I turned it off, it was ticking really bad. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna calibrate the valves, and yeah, we'll get there. Gradually, we're gonna be there soon. So keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.